name is Kyle Robinson, Assistant Project Manager for the Hainer Hoyt Corporation. We're on site for the Utica College Board and Science Center building. The building is just under 29,000 square feet. It's a two-story higher educational facility which will house scientific labs. We have the first floor slab on grade underground utilities in. We have started our short foundations. We've completed the deep foundations on the project. We're backfilling as we go with damp proofing and protection board. We are getting ready to accept structural steel. Structural steel is due on site the 29th. And then after that, it'll be all hands on deck with the mechanical trades and the framers to get them up to speed and get this project buttoned up together.